done it. I started freelancing as a student, made my first Rs 5000 online, and from there, I kept growing. In this video, I'll break down exactly how you can start freelancing as a student in India, even if you have zero experience. I'll share my own journey, the best skills to learn, where to find clients, and secret hacks to start making money fast. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances, keep watching till the end, because I have some real game-changing tips for you. I get it. College life is busy. Assignments, exams, and maybe even a part-time job that pays peanuts. That's why freelancing is a game changer. Here's why every student should consider it. No fixed hours. Work anytime, anywhere. No investment needed, just a laptop and internet. Earn while learning. Get paid while gaining skills. Build a career early. Your resume will stand out. Potential to go full-time. Many freelancers turn it into a business. Okay, but what services can you offer? Here are the hottest skills that students can learn quickly and start making money. No experience needed. Easiest to start. Content writing, blogs, scripts, and website copy. Social media management, running Instagram and Facebook pages. Graphic design, making logos, posters, and ads. Video editing, reels, YouTube, and ads. AI-powered work. Using ChatGPT, Midjourney for content and design. High income skills. Takes time to learn, but worth it. Web development. Making websites using WordPress, Shopify, data analysis, Excel, Power BI, Python for business insights, digital marketing and SEO, running Facebook and Google ads, e-commerce management, running Amazon, Flipkart stores. Now, don't go buying expensive courses, because you can learn these skills for free. Here are the best learning resources. YouTube, the ultimate free university. Search skill, tutorial for beginners. Google Digital Garage, free certified digital marketing courses. Coursera and Udemy, free and low-cost courses on everything. Khan Academy and Harvard Open Courseware, free coding and business lessons. Internships and real work. Best way to learn is by doing. Alright, you've learned the skill, now let's make money. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how to land your first paying client. Step 1. Choose the right freelance platform. Freelance marketplaces. Fiverr, easiest for beginners. Gig-based system Upwork, higher paying projects, but competitivefreelancer.com. Good for quick, low-budget projects. People per hour and top talk, great for experts. Charging premium rates. And remember, there's no limit. Some freelancers earn in lakhs per month just by refining their skills and networking smartly. It's all about consistency and learning from every project. Freelancing changed my life, and I believe it can change yours too. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and comment below. Which freelancing skill do you want to learn first? I reply to every comment. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be dropping more practical money-making tips soon. See you in the next one.